hi friends, just sharing with you. I'll be frying this full fish now. I marinated it overnight. So I put the normal chili powder, turmeric, ginger, garlic, jeera, yeah, pepper. That's a normal thing, and whatever you like sauce you can put. And I've got my flour. So the flour is basically um, rice flour, corn flour. You can use maida, see, yeah. So now just see that it is nicely coated, yeah. So you coat it nicely. Oil has to be very hot, yeah, and then you can fry it. So you put your salt. See the salt also is okay. So now I got I think it's snapper. This is a snapper fish or really I'm not very sure. But you know people are buying this fish, so I'm just going to share it here. So now I've done this. It is coated well. So you just dust it up, and so now I'll be putting it in this pan. Yeah, see this pan? Yeah. So the oil is hot. Yeah. But oil is sizzling hot. Yeah. So I got one. Doesn't splash. I got this. So now I will keep it. Just bring the flame down to this so it has to cook. Yeah. In the meantime, I bring my shrimps. So I put all the masala here, and I have cut it. See, they've cut them open like that. Yeah. So now I'm going to put this in the same flour. So I'll put it here. So just mixing it up with the masala. And then I will put in the same flour and I'll fry in the other pan, not in the same pan, yeah. So I have to coat it, I just coat them. So I'm just coating it, see. Just coat it. Everything is very easy, yeah. Just coat it and keep it to the side. So I've got, you can use maida or you can use corn flour and rice flour, yeah. Here. To make it on 6 so that I just see that it's well done, yeah? You see? So just open that fish properly, the prawns, the shrimps, yeah? Just open it properly. So I've done that. I'm just doing all. So till the oil is hot, you can do this thing, yeah? This part of it. So I'm just sharing with you. So I'll share with you how it's going to become. Turn out, sorry. How it's going to turn out. Yeah? I'm just concentrating on this. When you're always doing this, see that you don't do any other work. You just keep your time for your whatever cooking you're doing. And if you're doing something that is taking for a longer time, you do it on a timer. Yeah? Always do it on a timer. So on your watch you can do the timer so that nothing gets burned. So I've done all this now. Oil is getting hot now, that side as well. I just kept the heads on just for decor. I'll take it out when I'm serving it. So this thing. So I'm coating all this. Yeah. The oil is very hot. See my pan oil is hot. It's smoking. Everything has to be smoking hot. Yeah. So little bit of oil from there, I can take it out because I think that oil is too much for the prawns. So I'll just use some less oil here. I'll put some oil here. Put some oil on the top as well. So that is frying, that oil is hot. And so I will just take it, cover this up. So I'll just take this and I will lay it on the frying pan. So now I've got everything ready. I'm just showing this. See, it's hot. It doesn't sizzle like this, whatever you are doing. Nothing takes time, it's very easy. Just plan your things, what you want to do, and you can do it. So now I've got, say, I'm just do a lot of flour. I made just sufficient to finish off this, yeah? So you don't have any flour wastage and all that stuff. I don't like to do just take out a just put flour. If you have done, if you want extra flour, then first take out little and use it, and then you can put it in a freezer bag like this and keep in the freezer on the stove. And just throw out it. I washed my hands and I'm just cleaning up here, yeah? You must clean up at once so it's not dirty, it doesn't get messy. I'm sharing with you, yeah, the shrimps won't take time. You see reddish color, no, you flip it. So I've got a plate ready as well, see, here. So just be careful. Yeah, so just sharing with you friends. So now I will just put it, it's not yet red. You see it's nice and red.